Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Power Query. Let's dive right into understanding their fundamental differences. Excel is your go-to for direct data manipulation, like entering numbers, performing calculations, and creating charts. It's excellent for one-off analyses and smaller datasets. Power Query, on the other hand, is a powerful tool designed for automating the process of getting data ready for analysis. It excels at connecting to various sources, cleaning and shaping data efficiently, saving you significant time on repetitive tasks. When it comes to handling data, Excel often involves manual, repetitive steps for cleaning and combining information. Imagine copying and pasting data from multiple sheets. That's Excel's domain. Power Query, however, shines in automation. It remembers every transformation you apply, creating a repeatable process. This means you can refresh your data with a single click, even if it comes from dozens of different sources, like a SQL database or a web page. For performance and scalability, there's a clear distinction. Excel can struggle and slow down significantly when dealing with extremely large datasets, especially those approaching its row limit of just over 1 million rows. Power Query is built to handle massive amounts of data, often processing millions of rows much more efficiently. It performs transformations outside of the Excel grid, meaning your spreadsheet remains responsive, even with complex data preparation tasks. So, when should you use each? Excel is perfect for quick, ad hoc analyses, simple data entry, and creating basic charts. Think of it for small, one-time tasks. Power Query is your best friend for any recurring data preparation, like consolidating monthly reports or cleaning messy external data. The most powerful approach is often to combine them. Use Power Query to efficiently get your data into a clean, usable format, and then leverage Excel's familiar interface for your final analysis and visualization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.